Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to make this quick video today just to show you some tips and tricks on how to elevate a basic outfit and look and feel more stylish. I'm a huge advocate of being able to style something in a million different ways. I'm not the type of person that has the funds to only be able to wear something once. I like to get my cost per wear out of each item, and I'm sure you're the same. Especially during, a time like this, during this pandemic right now, where we want to be careful with our money, but we still want to look cute. You know what I mean? And yes, I am sitting on my living room floor at the moment. I'm still trying to figure out where I can film and like lighting and stuff like that. So please excuse this weird setup right now. And I just want to add that these accessories that I'm going to show you in this video is probably stuff that you already own in your wardrobe. I don't want you to have to go and buy something new. It's just about how we can add these accessories to our outfits to kind of tie everything together. So the first accessory that I want to talk about is a belt. And I know that that is so obvious, but I really think belts are just such an easy way to bring in like an extra detail to an outfit. So here I've got on this black silk slip dress. I really had trouble saying that just then. And it's a beautiful dress, but at the moment it's just kind of hanging there on me. It's not really doing much. So I've added this plain black leather belt, which just cinches in the waist and gives me a bit more of a body underneath the dress, if that makes sense. I actually really like this belt in particular because it doesn't have a buckle, so it is the perfect minimalist belt. I know that most of you will be in a cold climate this time of year. I'm in Sydney, by the way, so it's currently summertime here for us. But if you are in a cold climate, I've just added these black knee-high boots to the dress. I think it's always such a cool look to have like a summer dress with leather boots. And I love the way the knee-high boots, like you don't see any leg. I think that looks very cool. And on top of that, I've added a big chunky knit for just an extra layer of warmth. I put on the belt again because it is quite a wide jumper that I need to bring in the belt again just to gather in the fabric and give me a waist. I also love all the different textures to this look. I think leather and silk are always a great combination. That kind of soft silk with hard leather. I think it's always very cool to kind of mix those kind of elements together. The second outfit is just another plain black outfit, a tank top and some kind of smart trousers. I'm pretty sure that these trousers came with their own belt. You know those belts that are made of the same material as the trouser and they're kind of a bit flimsy, a bit like not that great. So I've taken off that belt and adding in the same black leather belt again just ties everything together really. To have that knot detail in the middle just brings another element of visual interest to something that can be quite plain. So the next outfit that I've grabbed is this preppy kind of plaid blazer with another all black outfit. Yes, love the color black, it's the best color. Dressed it up a little bit with some black pointed boots. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this outfit. I would wear this all the time. And another way to wear your blazers is by adding a belt around the waist. I have this one here. It's from Black & Brown. I love this belt. It's extra long so that you can kind of wrap it around and tuck it in. And it looks really cool around this blazer. I think that adding a belt around your blazer just instantly makes you look so much more put together and stylish, I guess. And I love wearing oversized blazers, but as I am only 5'2", I don't want to look like I'm drowning in fabric. So, cinching something at the waist always helps give me a better proportion. Moving on to an outfit that isn't black, but something that I feel like everyone has in their wardrobe is a white shirt and blue jeans. And I absolutely love this classic combination, but a really easy way of just changing things up is to add a red lip. I think that, just adding that extra bit of color on your face brings it more to life, I guess. And especially now these days when we're just on Zoom calls all the time and you're only showing like the top half of your face, why not make more of an effort? I think sometimes when you make more of an effort, it can help to make you feel better, and that's always a good thing. And there's something about a red lip with a white shirt that I think is very stylish, especially as I'm someone that doesn't really tend to change up their makeup that much, and so adding a lip color is a really easy thing to add. Another element that I want to add to this outfit is jewelry. Jewelry is something that can add a lot of personality to an outfit. I have these hoops in all the time. I'd never ever take them off. They're like my default earring. And I'm also adding here this gold A necklace, which I think is really cute. It has a little bubble chain, as you can see. Especially with a collared shirt, you have a kind of V going down. So I feel like a necklace really accentuates and complements that area quite nicely. So the next accessory that I want to show you is this beautiful silk scarf that I got on sale last year, actually. It's not something that I've worn a whole lot, to be honest, but I really want to try and incorporate it more into my outfits just to add an extra detail. Even the label I think is beautiful. Where is it? Look at that. So here I've just got on that same all black outfit from before, but I've changed up the boots to some Vans. And I like the way the scarf is something that to me is quite a formal, I don't know, quite a dressy, I guess, element. But paired with the sneakers, I like mixing those two styles together. Another way to wear your scarf is of course in your hair. Here I've just put some loose waves in my hair just to give it some texture and tied the scarf into kind of like a low ponytail. And I think it's such a lovely element to add to your outfits. It's obviously a very girly look. Because it's an all black outfit, it's not too girly for me. The last one that I want to show you is actually something I haven't worn since I was like 7 years old. But I wore this look a couple weeks ago to meet some friends to have dinner, and I really love the way that this outfit turned out. So here I've just got on some black skinny jeans, a blue shirt that belongs to my boyfriend, and just some patent black ballet flat. I already really like this outfit as it is. I like that this shirt is quite masculine, and then you've got the ballet flats, which are very feminine. But to sort of finish the whole outfit off, I've added this black hairband and then put my hair in a low bun. And for some reason, doing this just tied everything together, and I really enjoyed wearing this out. Although I have to say that the hairband did kind of give me a bit of a headache after a while, but hopefully it'll stretch out. I'll definitely wear this again. It has that kind of Parisian vibe to it, which is very nice. And yeah. So that's it. Just very quickly wanted to run through those really easy accessories that you probably already own in your closet. And it's just another way to add like a different element, just style something in a different way and get that cost per wear from each item. Have fun with it, enjoy it, and wear whatever makes you feel most comfortable and happy, because at the end of the day, you have to make yourself happy. Wow, that was deep. So thank you so much for watching if you've made it this far. I appreciate you. I hope you're having a great day. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you in the next one.